So I'm going to show you how to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So to do this, go to settings and then under settings, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that. And then scroll down and find more security settings, tap on that. And then you should see secure folder. So tap on that. Now tap continue and keep in mind that you have to be signed into your Samsung account for you to be able to set up a secure folder. And then you have permissions for secure folder. You can read all those permissions required and hit continue. And then now it's creating the secure folder. Once it's set up, it's going to ask you to choose how you want to secure your secure folder. Now you can set a PIN, password, or pattern, and this does not have to match the PIN, password, or pattern that you use for your lock screen. You can have a different one for the secure folder. Now for me, I'm a pattern guy, so I like to use patterns. So I'll select the pattern option, set it once, and then confirm. And then also, do you want to allow lock reset with Samsung account? I'm going to hit allow so that in case I forget my secure folder password, I can always reset it using my Samsung account. Now also, in case you lose your tablet and you restore from a backup, you can get everything you had in your secure folder. Anyway, so let's tap on next. You can see the secure folder is all set up. Now you can always go to the secure folder at any time because there's now going to be an icon on the app screen, so you can launch it anytime. And then you can tap on the three dots to get into the menu of your secure folder, including the settings. Okay, so you can have settings, so you can choose or you can customize the secure folder and how everything behaves in the secure folder, including the security. And then hit back. You can lock the secure folder manually by selecting lock and exit. And that's basically how to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So now you can hide apps. Basically, you can lock apps, photos, videos, everything you need to keep in a vault in your secure folder. Thanks for watching and good luck.